So we're at Pantaloon Saima 2019 in Doha, and I think I'm with an extremely beautiful actress who not only looks fantastic, but I think spent the longest time on the red carpet, because not only is she the sweetest that she answers everybody's questions, she's really sought after by all the fans from all the industries, right? I think when you say Lakshmi Rai, everybody loves you, all the South Indians out there. So how does it feel to be recognized to this extent?
I should say that I'm fortunate enough to actually be loved by so many people. I don't know how it came. I don't know from where it came, but somewhere something I'm doing right.
Absolutely. I think you're doing everything right and you're looking phenomenal. I think over the years, every time we see you at Saima, you've only managed to get prettier and prettier. How do you do that?
That's so sweet of you. Thank you. Nothing. When I get bored, I just think I should go in for a complete transformation and, try working something different. I have everything my side. And that's how I take myself. I work on myself than working on anything else. So I invest my energies on myself.
That's beautiful. I think when we get bored, we go watch a movie, but doing that must be
Really, I wish I could do that as well, but I love watching movies too, but I'm barely home, or I barely have free time since I'm part of all the 4 languages, and now stepping into Bollywood as well. So for me, there's too much of pre-commitment. When I want to watch a movie, I don't want to think of anything else. So I rather take that time as a holiday for myself.
Absolutely. And how has Doha been? I think this is the first time Saima is happening in Doha. So
First time for me as well. So I'm very excited and happy that Saima has brought us, all of us, to Doha. And it's a new city for us. It's a different feeling and it's huge. I see a great infrastructure here. So Saima has always surprised us with great places.
that's true. And you know what we're super excited about? Your performance. I think we've been hearing a lot of chitter chattering here and there. Everybody's looking forward to your performance. Can you tell us a little bit like a sneak peek?
It's been a long due, for me to be performing in Saima. I performed like when it started.
Yes.
Now, after that, I'm performing now. So, yeah, it has been a due for me. And finally, I'm super excited. And whenever it comes to performance, all I can say is they only give me fast tracks.
And you give it your best.
And they just think that I can pull it off. And I'm just literally struggling at the rehearsals and trying to make sure that I can put up a great act.
Are you a little nervous?
I do, but I don't want to lie. I do, but I don't know. It's just the whole feeling when you're on stage with all the dancers and the troupe. You just get grooving. So I love dancing. So I enjoy it.
That's wonderful. And we enjoy watching you dance. Thank you so much.